We lead the shift. Every idea begins as a spark of light. Fragile, and yet full of hope and possibilities, waiting to be realized. Just as light through a prism reveals infinite spectrums, together, ideas expand into never-ending possibilities. Bold science transcends the imagination and is transformed, becoming new therapies that ignite hope for patients, driving possibilities, defining pathways, turning the impossible into reality. We challenge expectations and go beyond imagination. Possibilities beyond limits. LOTTE Biologics.